E minor. A minor.
Take finger 1 and place that on the first fret of the B string. That's what your chord will look like. And we're going to not play the thick E string. We're going to play from the A string down through all the strings. That's an A minor chord.
C major. C major. A minor, C major.
So, we've learned A minor, we've learned C major, next one we're going to learn is E minor. So what you're going to do for E minor is you're going to take finger 2, place that on the second fret of the A string, and you're going to take finger 3 and place that on the second fret of the D string, just like that. And you're going to strum through all 6 strings. There you have an E minor chord.
E minor. G major. Oops. G major. G major, G major. 1, 2, 3. Only 5 strings. E, A, D, G, B, E. This is C major, bam, bam, bam. I haven't practiced in a while, but it's coming to me because I've been practicing the chords, especially writing them down on this notebook that I got. Show it. I've been practicing all my chords in this notebook, and that's me filling out all the chords. So, but I think I know my chords. Let's see, A minor.
I've been strumming day and night, it's true. To the rhythm in my soul, I'm breaking through. Every chord and every beat, I feel it flow. On my AeroBand guitar, watch my passion grow. With every note, I rise higher. Fueling my dreams, setting my heart on fire. Practice, 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 it's a daily affair. guitar, I'm taking my stand, playing my heart out, it's all in my hands.
I'm going to practice that until, you know, like I said, I can not even think about it. And then I'm going to do the transitions between them. That's the next part of this video. I'm going to put the video up here so you guys can see what video I'm following. You can follow whichever video you want, but I want to give this guy some credit since his video is coming over my video. So, alright, that's all I have. Just keep practicing, practice, and I think after a while, once I learn these 4 chords, I'm going to learn the next 4, and from there maybe play a song. So eventually. So if you have any questions, ask them down below in the comment section, and I'll try to answer as much as I can. So without further ado, we'll see you on the other side.
So here